What's up? My name is Caela. My sign name is Caela. And today, I guess we're going to be talking about why or not why can deaf people talk or not and everything. So a lot of deaf people are forced to talk because their families, sorry, this is stressful. Their families don't learn sign language, and the only way that they can communicate with people around them is to try to talk. But again, deaf people can't hear a lot of their sounds. They can feel it in their throat and everything, but they can talk. They just prefer to use sign language as their main mode of communication, which they should. But yeah, I don't want people thinking that deaf people can't talk or they can't do anything. They are more than capable of talking. They just prefer using their own language.